Oh, good afternoon. Here we are at IBC 2013 at the 4A stand. We're going to have a quick look at a couple of new products and new developments on our mixer range. First of all, the HVS 390 is a very powerful 2ME switcher. It's available in 1 and 2ME models, and we have a whole series ranging from the HVS 300. I suppose the key thing about these is the flexibility, number of options. These can be configured with a variety of inputs and outputs and different types of control panels. So we can sort of pretty well spec the mixer to what you want rather than just making you buy equipment you don't necessarily need. The 2ME model has built-in multi-viewers, DSKs. It has 4 upscalers available, frame syncers on every input, 4 keys per ME, and each of these MEs actually have a full 2.5D DVE, which is very powerful, and you don't see this in other mixers in this class. We can also combine the aux outputs to create video walls from separate sources, and although nominally this is a 2ME mixer, with the aux outputs we can do transition between auxes, which you would normally need another ME for, so you've really got the functionality of possibly 4 or 6 even ME mixer. The new feature we're showing on the HVS 390 at IBC is the 28 button panel. The mixer has 24 inputs. This means that you can assign 25 to 28 to our built-in clip stores, mats, colour bars, or other graphics. We're looking at one of the different ways of controlling the HVS 390. We have a GUI which you can control either from a conventional VGA type monitor, or in this case you can remote it on an iPad. So this is useful for not only controlling the mixer, but particularly for setting up macros and just general setup of the device. So this is yet another way of controlling the HVS 390. The HVS XT100 and 110 continue our tradition of small, compact, but very high-powered performance mixers. The mixer comes in 2 configurations. One's a self-contained unit, which has a control panel, all the electronics, inputs, all combined in this compact unit. And although this is obviously a very compact unit, it's very powerful. We have 12 inputs, 8 outputs, an HDMI output. We have, with the auxes, we can have the equivalent of 1.5 aux performance. We have dedicated effects channels. We have 4 keys in total, 2 keys. We've improved the chroma key quality on the mixer here, and we also have 2 downstream keys to make a total of 4 keys. We have all the different transitions you'd expect. We have built-in multi-viewer, and we have a variety of screens you can have, ranging from just the 2 panels here, quad split, up to 16. And of course you can display tallies, titles, all here. And you can see also the built-in clip store on the screen there. You have 2 built-in clips. You can have 2 clips of up to 227 frames of internal memory. So for bugs with logos, you can have those included and available. The other version of the XT series is the XT100, similar to the XT110, but this has a separate mainframe with built-in redundant power supply, and this starts at 8 inputs. You can have an option to make it a 12 input mixer.